that chase rap ill. When I rock that, I do well. I've got skills, not run of the mill. Told you before, I ain't never gon' chill. Blaze that up, we can raise that up. Sedate the rhyme, little chorus straight in the cup. Yo, drink it down, cause I'm wearing the crown. All the little dripping down, please gather around. Listen to me, now while I'm spitting this free. Not the type of game that you ever see like me. When I do it, it's real, could be bumping the hood. And records come out on the street and then they try to win. The style's just too hot. Never let rhythm away, and I make that pop. When it comes to rapping for you, I just don't stop. Right now, you will drop. Here we go. To the mic, get it straight on my chest. There's no time left. Hip hop's dying. Can't you see that mother hip hop's crying? Yeah, I'm trying to move the Zion. Spit rhymes on the door now without trying. When the record come out, you should be buying.
Let me switch up the game. I drink that cone. Step back cause I'm about to put it on. I go deep, so deep till you see the cow sheep wake you up from nowhere. You don't want me at the show. How a freak bitch act when I ain't sober. What up and toe up, show up. I ain't scared to take it off. Tell a freak to take it off. Tipsy in the field, feel good. Dudes got big moves. Into it, I do it, I did it. If you really, really wanna do it, never stop. You know one, yo tight. Side to him with my jeans real tight, yeah. My curves, they swerve, so superb. My words, my word, and I can't serve. We run this. It don't matter where you're from, it's where you're at. And if you can't freaking leak, better bring your ass. East Coast, West Coast, down south, represent your coast. Yeah, we run it, y'all don't want it, cause my coast run it. We run this shit. Wanna pull my head, break my back. For the right money, might see your lap. Back to back, you can't even keep track. It's a fact that freaks never get slapped. Stop my toes and the backwood. I don't come to do it, I just wanna be touched. Look at how y'all make me blush. Enough to go around so people don't push. Wanna run that bitch in the bush. All the diamonds look real good, and they shine so hard that it glitters. So many carrots, they look like critters. And we can do it all night. Take a flashlight to see up in my windpipe. Highlight the key for nigga. I wanna know when you hear me, Mike. We run this. It don't matter where you're from, it's where you're at. And if you can't a freak a leak, better bring your ass. Knuckle East Coast, West Coast, down south, yeah, we run it. Y'all don't want it, cause my folks run it. We run this shit. Any hustlers in the party, y'all. If you's a pimp, let me see you party, y'all. Oh, strippers, take your clothes